If you are new, welcome and thank you so much for joining. Today's video, I will be showing you some items that I did to spruce up this room, which I added a pop of color. Originally, this room was all silver, and as you can see, I've added these roses and these pillows in the color purple, and I've also added some candle holders. For any of you that are new, I'm going to insert at the end of this video how this room originally looked so that you don't have to guess. Love the way the white furry pillow pops against the purple. Now, I'll go through where I got everything that's purple and those new curtains that I just added. Now the curtains I'll start with. They came from Amazon. I originally got the ones on the side that actually matched that pattern from Kohl's. Now I got most of my pillows that you see on this bedding from Kohl's. And the purple ones came from Amazon.com. I got these purple roses from Hobby Lobby. And I got the candle from Yankee Candle. Alright, so I am loving the color purple against all of this silver. Amazon has a Prime Day. On Prime Day you can get special deals on the items that they decide to put on special, and you have to look out for those deals. I got this bedding right here for a really good deal on one of their Prime Days, and so I'm showcasing it. I like the pattern, so I've done my bedding a little bit different. This came from Kohl's, and yeah, everything pretty much that's new and purple came from Amazon.com. I'll put everything in the description box, or Hobby Lobby. That's where the flowers came from, and of course my DIYs, which are the purple candle holders. Alright, so these DIYs came from the Dollar Tree. They're Dollar Tree DIY. They're pretty much Mod Podge and glitter, purple glitter from Walmart. So I had fun adding a pop of color to this room. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell, especially if you have a channel and you would like it shouted out. I always take the first 10 comments of each video and shout you out at the end. And if you are here returning, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you all have a blessed day. And we're going to go on and show you what this room originally looked like. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the first look, go ahead and let me know about that. I tend on switching it up a lot, so I like to know what colors you guys enjoy. Maybe I'll do more of it, maybe I won't. Okay guys, so let's get into the next part of this video. and I'll see you on the next one.